So visualizing demographic data that are parts of a whole is actually pretty fun and pretty easy. So what you see here is part of my Tableau screen, and we are looking at some survey data that I collected about students at UNC Charlotte. And we're just looking right now at which college they are enrolled in or affiliated with. So what you see here is a basic data table, but there are a lot of different ways we can look at this information. So in the upper right corner of my Tableau screen, I'm going to click on Show Me. And we can take a look at some horizontal bars. That's a pretty reasonable way to look at things. We can see that the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences has a good number of respondents compared to the other colleges, which is not surprising since they enroll the largest student population. We can also turn this data on its side and look at this data as a vertical bar graph, just stretching out a little bit. And that works pretty well too for getting a sense of who has responded to our survey. We can also look at these data in a format of a stacked bar graph. Here over on the right is the key, and here are the different bars that represent the amount of students who are in our sample by college. This is actually kind of a lot for my eyes and my mind to think about. So this time I don't think the horizontal or the vertical stacked bar chart is the best. We can also look at a tree map, and this gives us a sense of the relative size of each group within our population. So here we can see the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences had 748 student respondents compared to the College of Engineering had 230. Very similarly, we can look at a packed bubble chart. This is kind of cute and fun. Again, we're looking at the relative size, so we get a sense that Liberal Arts and Sciences had the largest number of respondents compared to the other colleges. This yellow here is the College of Education. This is the Engineering College, etc. We can also use Excel, Google Sheets, PictoChart, other kind of infographic software to create other visualizations. For example, let's take a look. This is Google Sheets, and we are looking at the same data in a pie chart. And this pie chart I think is kind of ugly. Whoops. I don't like it at all. It's too much for my eyes and mind to digest. And if you recall from the Emory text, she pretty much recommended anytime you have more than 3 categories that a pie chart really doesn't work well. In Google Sheets, you can easily change to different kind of charts. Again, we can look at a horizontal bar chart. That's not too bad. It takes some formatting to get it to my satisfaction. But really what I wanted to show you here is there are a lot of ways to visualize one particular type of data, in this case, the parts of a whole.